আচ্ছা আচ্ছা এখানে কেমন লাগে আসতে যাও Hey everyone, welcome back to my another vlog. This vlog took some time to come, but this time I have brought a very good vlog for you. Friends, you must have heard about the village market of India. But today afternoon we will see it with all our heart. So if you have come to our channel for the first time, then you can like, share and subscribe to our channel. Because on our channel you will get to see many unseen things along with the lifestyle of Indian villages. So friends, let's start our vlog with today's daily life. So friend, I am going to buy fish to eat at lunch. I would like to tell you guys that you should not keep the video. If you keep the video, then you will not be able to enjoy it completely. You will miss out on a lot. So I reached the fish shop. And maybe you don't know that in India, fish is called machli. But look at the way the shopkeeper cuts the fish, how is cutting each fish with a stick of a tree. In India, fish is often cut like this. You know, today I am going to cook fish for the first time, so let's see what is going to happen. Friend, I have made a big mistake. Look, the rice that I have planned will not be enough for now and I forgot my rice. There is no other way, whatever I have, I will have to adjust with that for now. Look, to keep the coriander leaves that I brought from the market fresh, I have kept them in glass with water like a fuldani. In India, those do not have a refrigerator at home kept coriander leaves like this. And by keeping them like this, they remain fresh for 3 to 4 days. I am cooking fish for the first time, so I am a little worried about what might go wrong. First, I wash the fish thoroughly and add turmeric and chili powder and mix it well. After that, I fry it in oil and cook it in some way. So finally, our fish was also cooked. Whatever it is, the scent looks amazing. Just imagine how delicious the fish was that I did not leave even a single bite. So after eating food and taking some rest, my friend also come to pick me up for roaming in the Indian village market. I don't even have a bike, so whenever I feel like going out, I go with any friend who has a bike. So friends, welcome everyone to the traditional Indian village market. Market like these are the lifeline of villages in India. They are not just place to buy and sell but also for a culture, conversation and community. If you have ever wondered how daily life in an Indian village looks, this vlog will give you a true glimpse. From fresh vegetable to vibrant fabric and delicious street food, there's so much to explore. As you can see, the market is already bustling with energy. People from the nearby village come here early in the morning to sell their produce. It's not like a supermarket you find in big city here. Everything is fresh and bargaining is a part of the experience. One thing I love about village market is how colorful they are. Look at these bright fresh vegetables and spices. Every color has a story to tell. You will often find villagers greeting each other like old friend. Market are a social gathering too. Most of the vegetable and fruit here are grown by local farmers. Early morning are the best time to get the freshest pick. See how vibrant everything looks. You can smell the freshness in the air. These leafy greens are called saag and they are a staple in many Indian homes. Many farmers wake up as early as 4 am to harvesting their produce and buying it here. It's hard work, but it's what keeps our village thriving. India is known for these spices and village market are the best place to find authentic, locally grown ones. The aroma of freshly around spices is simple irresistible. From turmeric and cumin to cardamom and red chilies, these add incredible flavor to Indian cuisine. Here people often buy grains like lentils, rice and wheat in bulk. The vendor's measure is using traditional weighing scale, which is something you might not see in modern supermarket. See how a businessman makes people full. To tell you the truth, people of India are very innocent. After making them fools, people sell anything from dust, mud and stone. these people also buy it happily. Indian government and medical science is responsible for this. When people go to the doctor for treatment, they do not get proper treatment at the doctor hospital and people suffer a lot, due to which their trust in the doctors is lost and people buy anything from the market and use it for their treatment. Taking advantage of this, fake traders sell everything from the tree pieces to stone grains just like this person is selling it. You can see for yourself how people are crowding to buy it. Do you know tractors are usually lost for traveling in our country? You might happy to see how people are returning from the market on a tractor trolley. And looks here, a poor business family has left their village and come to this market to sell some goods to earn some money. They do not even have a house to live in, due to which they living under a tree and somehow cooks food by making a stove with stone. So while walking in the market and vlogging, I felt very thirsty. So I went to the cart to drink sugarcane juice and see how sugarcane juice is being extracted from this modified machine. Sugarcane juice is very popular among the people in India, especially during the summer season. So friends, finally we reached the nearest food place while roaming around the market. We are going to eat dosa here, and dosa is a major street food of India. If you have ever eaten dosa in India, then do share your experience in the comment section. That wraps up our visit to the village market. I hope you enjoyed this little journey into rural India. The warmth, the color and vibrant atmosphere are something you can experience anywhere else. Let me know in the comments which part of the market you like the most. And if you can enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more glimpses for Indian village life. See you in the next vlog. Tata, bye bye.